Yo guys, we're all done with the Mustang, and guess what? We did it! What's up guys, my name is Idris, and there is Leo, the camera guy, and he got a Ford Mustang 2008, rusted all over, and had body damage everywhere. It's our third day that working on it, and we're about to give it a full paint job. Let me walk you through it. So the whole trunk was refinished, there were rusty holes, we rebuilt it. So the quarter panel as well, we got it touched up, filled up. So it's the door, the fender, the hood, and let me tell you something, I do not like this project, but we gotta get it done. So, beautiful project, we're gonna get it done, fully refinished, a full nice paint job. And let me tell you what, absolutely every single rust, we gotta sand it down, we're gonna touch that up. We're gonna fill up the door, like you can see a dent here. We're gonna pull that out, we're gonna work on it. And hopefully by the end of this week, we're gonna get it done. As you can see, the entire quarter panel was completely pulled out. We're gonna get this beauty done. Yo guys, we're all done with the Mustang, and guess what? We did it! Yeah!